Quote-to-Cash Certification, Module 4, Part 3, Getting Started. Let's take a look at the 8 best practices to becoming a quote-to-cash agent of change. Number 1, think big. It's hard to complete a successful journey if you haven't first articulated what it is you need to accomplish. Often, people think too small. Your quote-to-cash vision helps the organization articulate what the ideal quote-to-cash experience should be. For instance, Apttus, internet technology company that enables and optimizes the real-time sale and purchase of digital advertising, set forth a 5-part strategy. People, give our employees career growth opportunities. Process, conduct lean sessions to optimize. Automation, utilize our top-notch automation team that optimizes Salesforce on a daily basis. Scale, to continue to effectively compete against multinational companies like Google. And tools, partner with the right vendor. Don't just plan for what you need right now. Plan for what you will need much further down the road. Your quote-to-cash transformation is a strategy, not just an implementation. Consider the cross-functional team, the global view of your company. Drive your company to sell solutions, not products. Strive for repeatable and predictable processes. Number 2, involve users. Because quote-to-cash is a foundational cross-functional process, it affects many across the organization. Collaboration is a must. You need to involve your team, get buy-in, understand what end users are seeing on a daily basis, work to make their lives better, understand who your internal champions are, focus on adoption, work to make it intuitive. Number 3, simplicity. There's a long list of things to consider and be concerned about, but don't overdo it. Remember the design principle called KISS, coined by the U.S. Navy, which is an acronym for Keep It Simple, Stupid, noting that most systems work best if they are kept simple, and to avoid unnecessary complexity. Understand what your core problems are and fix them. Try the 5 why process. Ask yourself why 5 times in a row until you're able to get to the heart of the issue. Then make the simple change. Number 4, quick wins. Not all processes are equal. Try to solve the most important items first, but don't forget to collect some quick wins. Build momentum, set milestones, and share the progress. You can't boil the ocean. Transformations take time, so creating positive momentum will help people stay focused on your long-term vision. Number 5, stay current. Stay away from heavy customizations. Configure, don't customize. And stay up to date with releases. Also remember, if your process was flawed before, adding automation and intelligence won't solve everything. Your quote-to-cash transformation is an opportunity to re-engineer, automate, and streamline your processes. Find out what other companies did to solve similar problems. Don't be scared to embrace the world's largest quote-to-cash community. Number 6, education. Train, train, train. Your quote-to-cash process is only effective if people are using it. Once is never enough, and remember, everybody learns differently. Offer different types of training experiences and regularly reinforce those sessions with continuing education. Number 7, templates. Templates are your friend. They allow for cleaner, more efficient work, keep everything within brand, and create an opportunity for a great first impression. Quotes, contracts, renewals, all of these elements are customer-facing, so aim to make them both look great, but be easy to use. Consider targeted templates using partner or customer logos and terminology. Create a consistent customer experience. A vital part of being successful in your quote-to-cash transformation is looking at your critical customer experience moments, where buyers are forming their opinions on your brand, and focus on improving that experience. Number 8, always measure and track your quote-to-cash success. Just like in the first point. You can't get where you're trying to go without a strong vision. You can't measure your success and create a path for continual improvement unless you have well-defined metrics. So don't forget to measure your before state so you can benchmark your progress. Set realistic goals and continue to find ways to improve. What should be considered the most when implementing quote-to-cash? Well, the other important consideration is the more tools you have in place, the more efficient and effective you will be. None of your critical business processes happen in a vacuum. From the sales quote, to pricing, to the contract negotiation, to payments and renewals. So consider the business processes don't happen in a vacuum. Congratulations on finishing the certification curriculum. Take the quiz, access the study materials, complete certification, and join the Apttus community.